to
Cutting with Kids.
My name is Kalea.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're on Scratch It and Andrew's account star Scratch Cat.
So today I'm going to show you my project called Scratch Cat Character Designer. So by the name you know that in this project you can design Scratch Cats. You can change his faces and color, shoes, and background. Okay. So let's now see the code. So I split the
Scratch Cat.
Yeah, the Scratch Cat into body parts. So you can
tap on them so you can change their costume.
So when green flag clicks, so this is for the head. Switch costume to costume 1. So start on its regular costume, so which is regular Scratch Cat. Then it'll play a song, and then when this sprite clicks, so when you click the head, it'll do next costume. So I design a sad face and add hats on Scratch Cat. So when you press Scratch Cat's head or a body part, it'll change into the next costume. So basically all the other sprites have just this block of code to change costume. So on the body and leg, there you can change its shoes. It can be this one,
like
a roller skate, like this cowboy one,
shoe,
and the regular shoe. And that's the same for the back leg. They're both legs. And then the tail, you can switch this white into a black. So I did nothing for the arms. Okay, now we're going to each design 2 characters. I'll go first. I'm going to create a wizard.
Wizard? What shoes do a wizard have? You don't really have some.
Yeah, wizard. Wizard doesn't. Dun-dun. Okay, your turn.
I'll design.
You can also change the background.
What's a good one for a bear?
Cutie. You can do that one or the dog.
This one.
It's like dun dun.
Cowboy, mine's a brown one.
They're basically the same color as the bear.
With a white tail. Ta-da!
Okay, my turn. I'm gonna do.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do this hat.
Like a tropical, you're lying in a tropical place.
I'm gonna do. I like the circle one. Okay, this is circle one because it's basically the same color as the cat.
What shoe should you do? How about you changed the background by accident?
So how about this? It's like a kid wearing a cool hat.
And a circle background.
Yeah, like he's on the beach. Okay, your turn. Find a character.
I have no idea what should you do. I'll do the I call it a flappy shoe. And what hat should I do?
Wings.
Marty or...
There are 2 birthday hats.
Do you want this one or...
I like the colorful one.
This one?
Yeah.
And this is my final character.
The background?
Yeah.
Which one?
Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Yes.
You did need to,
yeah.
This is our character.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.